Hello, welcome to Exotic Gardening UK, Yorkshire Kris Weekly, and in this week's episode I'm going to spruce up the jungle hut. So I had this jungle hut made probably sort of 6 years ago now, with a nice thatch roof, with these nice wooden posts that are circular, and I've got some chairs in here, but I've never actually really thought about making it a nice scheme, with some nice cushions in there, and making it a more comfortable place to sit. Well, in this video we're going to do an unboxing video. We're going to get some nice new cushions and we're going to make this area much more comfortable and much more stylish. So I've got two nice big boxes to unbox, and these have been sent to me by Gardenistauk. They do a whole range of soft furnishings, cushions for garden furniture and quite a lot more. So let's get into opening these boxes. So in my jungle hut I have some nice plastic sort of rattan furniture, but I've got no cushions and I need it to look a lot nicer in here and far more comfortable for myself, my family and for visitors to the garden as well. And I've been sent some nice cushions from Gardenistauk. So I chose these online and I've not actually seen them in person yet, so I'm going to open the boxes and see what they look like. So, in box number 1, we have some beautiful cushions. So we've got this lovely design here, multicoloured with birds on and swirls and flowers. Sort of, it's not overtly tropical, because I didn't want something cliche in here. I wanted just something nice and bright and colourful. And I think this suits the style I want it in here. So let's see what else we've got. Okay, so we've got a second one of the same design. And we've got a very similar but contrasting pattern here, again with the swirls and the flowers, but with no birds on this one. And we've got more sort of turquoise and orange in this design with a purple back. And that's everything in box number 1. And now we have box number 2, which is much bigger, so there'll be more cushions for the furniture. And we've got, yes, so we've got the nice blue backrest cushions for all the seats in the jungle hut, and some nice comfy cushions to sit on as well. So I will get all these out. So we've got 4 of these for all the seats and 4 of the back cushions as well. So I'll finish unboxing these and then I'll set up the jungle hut with the nice cushions and I'll show you the results. So there we have it, got the nice new supportive cushions, nice decorative cushions. I think it looks a lot nicer, far more inviting here in the jungle hut. So when I do have a minute to have a coffee or a drink, have a little rest and sort of relax and enjoy the garden, this is a far more comfortable space to be in now. Thank you for watching this edition of Exotic Gardening UK. Join me next week, where I'll be doing more in the garden.